When your PC has 4 GB RAM and Windows alone eats up 2 GB of it, your game FPS looks something like this. But don't worry, because I brought you the ultralight version of Windows 10 that consumes just 800 megabytes of RAM, which means your game can finally use maximum resources. And your FPS? It goes from this to this. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So we are now on the PC screen, and the installation is actually really simple. You just need 3 things: the ISO file, a pen drive, and Rufus to make that pen drive bootable. First, insert your pen drive and open Rufus. Now take the ISO file you downloaded from my website and simply drag and drop it into Rufus. Now, down here, you will see this option. If your system is GPT-based, leave it as it is. But if your system is MBR, select MBR right here. Then just click the Start button and your pen drive will begin becoming bootable. Keep in mind, the ISO file is quite large, so this will take some time. Okay, so that process is now complete. I will simply restart the PC and record the rest of the process on Handcam. After the restart, you need to open the boot menu. Now every PC has a slightly different way to access it, so I have put a list on screen. Check that and use the right key for your PC. After that, you will see an interface something like this, and you will see some buttons at the bottom. Just click on that, and from here, install Windows exactly the way you normally would. I will fast forward this part and take you directly to the operating system. After this, your PC will restart just one time, and you will land directly on Windows. So Windows has launched, and let me first give you a quick overview of what is different here. First thing you will notice on the desktop is a toolbox. From here, you can directly install the latest drivers and premium versions of software, all according to your PC specs. All you have to do is type the number of the software you need, hit enter, and it will be installed within seconds. On top of that, all the useless services and apps that come with normal Windows 10, like Cortana and other bloatware, have been completely removed. This allows your PC to use maximum RAM for what actually matters. Even the Start menu has been cleaned up. No unnecessary apps at all. So overall, this is a really solid OS. I have been using it for a while now, and the gameplay difference you already saw speaks for itself. In conclusion, if your main purpose is gaming or running emulators, you should definitely try this. But if you use your PC for office work, I would not recommend it, because this is a modified build and there can be some security-related issues. For gaming though, in my opinion, this is the best option out there. It is lightweight, fast, and just works. Drop your PC specs down in the comments and I will tell you if this OS is the right fit for you. And if you are looking for more Windows 10 Lite versions, click on this playlist on the left. I will see you there. Bye!